Like humans, nigga. Yawn, nigga. Humans
Brain
have
cooling?
potential brain cooling, increased alertness as a social cue.
So it don't mean you tired.
Brain cooling.
What the fuck?
What does that mean though?
I literally thought every time people yawn, that it was like the ideology of like you're tired. Like, you know, like this nigga tired. Are you sleepy? Because every time I ask,
They say right, yawning is often associated with tiredness or boredom, but some theories suggest it's actual reflex that helps to increase alertness or wakefulness. Like the body, like you got like, oh, hold on. It's not working right now, but like.
nah, I just yawned. Though. I yawned.
Do it.
I mean, like, I don't know if I can do it 2 times, but I did it.
But you have to keep your mouth open, right?
You gotta go, yeah. You get like deep breath.
Like it's coming,
Yeah,
but it's like.
yeah, yeah.